So what I'm going to do to start off with is I'm going to introduce you to the subdivision of time, and you're going to learn some basic note values. We're going to start off with a whole note. Now, a whole note lasts for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will play a note on the beginning of the bar and let it ring for the remaining 3 beats. So that note value lasts for 4 beats. So I'm going to play just the 7th fret of the D string. Our A note, I'm going to play that along with the metronome, and I'm going to play that for 4 bars. So I only play 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. So I'm playing on the beginning of each bar and allowing the note to ring for the remaining beats.